So we've got some people jumping at Elderslie, we've got a gyrocopter out here, we've got a helicopter doing some work. Well, it's a busy place. We've got a... Moo! Guys, yes, I bought the Excalibur. No need to say that about me movies.
Hello. We are the crazy people. 86 dB, 0 Hertz, 87 dB. Telemetry lost.
And we'll just stop it up there near the fence. I think I ran out of juice. I don't know whether this grass is going to be good enough for it to take off. We'll see how we go. Give it.
Engine on.
Oh, too low.
Engines disarmed.
That was a Harrier when you go and cut the lawn. It's called a cut the lawn Harrier. And not many people know about that one. So you land upside down so you don't get the wheels dirty. And see how we go again.
Engines disarmed.
So you stop it from running into yourself. Just lift the tail up and put the nose up, and it sort of parks straight away for you.
Engines disarmed.
Hate landing on grass.
93 dB. 78 dB.
Probably don't need that much.
dB. 91 dB.
And that's how you do it. Cool.
Engine on. Engines disarmed.
No one saw that. No one saw that. Just brum 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 brum. Perfect. There we go. And we've landed. Throttle management. Yeah.
Engines disarmed.
Hey, perfect landing there. See? Stupid plane. I think we could go again. Do you think we got another one in her?
Engine on.
Yeah.
Engines disarmed.
That's the problem. It's grass. It's not my skill. It's just grass.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah.
Telemetry recovered.
That's awesome with the telemetry thing, but we're just trying to land on the wheels. Just don't want to put it into the fence, that's all. Oh yeah.
Engines
Fuck.
disarmed.
What about we go the other side? What about we come in from the good side?
Telemetry lost.
Yeah,
Telemetry
I know. I
recovered.
keep. Yeah, just stand by. We'll go this way, and we'll come in from that way.
Engine on.
Oh, you
Engines disarmed.
bitch of a thing. So maybe I should take off that way and come down this way. Maybe that's the GO.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah, I know.
Telemetry recovered.
Don't be
Telemetry lost. 6
Righto.
Telemetry lost.
This thing
Telemetry
screams.
recovered. 4.9.